Wow, look at this, guys. The new lava map. Hey.
And I'm making a video with my brother right here. He's my older brother.
Yeah, he's my older brother. Jump! Woo!
Hello!
I made it to the other side.
Oh my!
That's my brother. That's my brother. Guys, that's just my brother. We're in the lava. His name is Clyde.
His name is Triven Queen. Oh.
Queen. Triven Queen Pikasumpang.
Are you a queen?
No?
Playing a lava map. What about
Let's put a nook into the lava. Let's do that. Let's put the biggest nook into the. Let's put the biggest nook ever. It's getting hot. It exploded! Wow. Oh my gosh. Bro.
Wait, Rex. What about robot? Robot.
Hey.
Robotic. Hello.
Robot is robotic. He cannot catch on fire.
Look at robot.
Yeah, I can catch on fire. What the heck? I wanna try. I wanna go in.
Robot is
It's-
swimming.
It's just a nice pool.
Yeah.
You have to come in. You have to come in. It's so nice. I get a bird. Come on, just touched it. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Go up.
No one can kill me. I'm burning.
Let's clear corpses.
What?
This pool is so cool. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump in again.
It's a hot.
It's a little hot. Let's jump in again. Whee! We are swimming in the pool.
I'm swimming in. A dolphin. I'm a dolphin.
This is my favorite map. This is my favorite map, guys. I think I will use this map. I am sinking all the way to the bottom. Help me. Just joking. Ha 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 ha.
He's gonna do a dolphin. I'm a dolphin.
Everybody do the sea lion.
Everybody will do the freaking
Yeah.
sea lion.
What happened? He's disabled. He got disabled. He's disabled. He's not swimming anymore. Who? Oh, but what happens if his head touches? Broke instantly. Come on, bro. You have to go in. No, I'm not, bro. Bro,
That was me.
I said go in. No, go in.
under the kid, and it's actually immortal.
Man, look at this look at this dude. Look at this lava. So cool. So cool. Ha, push you. My brain. I'm burning. Help me.
The kid is nowhere to be seen. There's nowhere to be seen.
It's just body parts.
Adam is gone. No?
What do you...
Why is the robot rising like
I
a
am
monster?
here. What?
No, not robot. It's rising up.
I'm raising up my tataw.
Oh, he's dead! He's dead! Kasi, yellow rabbit killed him.
Go in. Let me touch it. I wanna see how it feels. Oh my gosh. Ow. My feet is oh no. My hand. What, bro? What?
The big guy again.
Let's jump in. Wee. This is so fine. Why is people saying this is not fun? Let's swim in lava. Whoosh, whoosh. I'm a dolphin.
A big splash.
I am robot doing gymnastics. Look, I am stretching.
I'm gonna do the yellow rabbit splash.
Ooh, sinking into the ground. Homer Simpson meme. Why?
I'm not a robot. I'm a human now.
Bro.
I'm burning. Come on.
Dum bare. Dum bare.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I'm gonna acid this guy. The yellow rabbit.
That's literally spring trap. Oh my gosh, the
But it's
lava.
called yellow rabbit.
No. Help me! The lava, help me! Wow!
I hope you don't like this. I hope you like this. You like this?
What do you mean? What's that?
It's spring trap.
Is it the yellow rabbit?
It's spring trap.
Meow. Don't go in there, cat. Don't go in there, cottage cheese. Bruh. Meow. Cottage cheese, no. No. I have to drop in to save cottage cheese. Meow. I save you cottage cheese. Meow.
Look, there's a reflection.
It's because of yourself. It's because of your phone. Cell phone.
What does cell phone mean?
It means phone.
Oh.
Ah!
reflection is wrong.
Clear everything. Let's try the lava map. I mean volcanic map.
Yeah, volcano map. I'm Peppa Pig.
Hello, my name is Peppa Pig. This is Mommy Pig. This is Daddy Pig.
What about George?
Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. This is Mommy Pig. This is George. And this is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
Ako pala.
Hello, my name is Peppa Pig.
Hello, my name is Peppa.
Wow, look at that!
This is my little brother George.
What if it
This is
erupts?
Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
What if the volcano erupts?
You will die.
It's erupting! It's erupting!
It's erupting for real. Okay. The volcanic is so
Like, look. The volcano is erupting! Wow! It's a sword erupting! Uh-oh. Ching.
Ayo,
Uh-oh. Ching. Two new lava maps. They are literally so fire.
because they are already fire.
Yeah. I got my go. Ouch. What the heck? Why is his blood orange? Why is his blood orange, bro? Please don't push me into the lava. I will push you into the lava if no one likes and subscribes. Bro, he's falling down like crazy. Yeah. Well, please. This out, bro. Help me.
I gotta put a beam inside. It's dragging in it. It's dragging in it. Hello, ako nga lunch Clyde.
Stop talking. Fucking Philippines.
Because we're already in Philippines.
Oh yeah. We're Filipino kids. The lava is burning me. Help me.
Explosion.
I'm jumping in. End of the video, guys.